Welcome to the third and final part of my NC500 road trip. In this video you join me travelling south towards Ullapool and beyond, in search of the UK's toughest road, some epic waterfalls and more stunning scenery. After visiting Ullapool, I got back on the road and stopped to see the falls of Measach. Look at that. Woo. So I'm at my park up now for the evening. I'll show you where I'm staying tonight. There's actually two seals down there. Definitely not going to be able to see on this. I'll put the photo over of them. It's not a great photo because it's through the window, but they're just chilling on the rocks down there. So I'm in Gairloch now. I've been to the harbour. We had about an hour where it wasn't raining and it was actually quite nice weather. But it started raining again now, so whilst it wasn't raining, I've cooked some lunch and then I'm going to go to the cafe at the road. After enjoying the village of Gairloch, I headed further south, stopping occasionally when the views were too good to not, and to explore Victoria Falls. Stopped off at a place called Victoria Falls. Sounds pretty grand, so let's go and check it out. Not bad. Just pulled over the road from Loch, I think it's called, because it's just incredible. And there's some waterfalls up there. This is really steep. I think I'm just going to go to those falls up there. But look at this. I intend to do this hike. I think that's a good thing about this Scotland trip. There's so many bits you can pull off. Just do it like on a whim. The surroundings from this short hike were some of the best I've seen on my trip. As the weather started to turn, I headed towards my camp spot for the evening in Torridon. I'm just on a run, and the views are absolutely amazing. Check this out. Beautiful. This might be a bit dark. I'll come out here actually. But it's been such a good afternoon. I'm in Torridon now. A little village, and there's a free shower that you can use with donations, suggested £3 donation. So I had a run and then I had a shower and donated, and now I'm just at the camp spot, still in Torridon. Just having a little walk after dinner. The sun set about 20 minutes ago, but it's still fairly light, and just up here where I had the run, that's where the sun was setting over those mountains over there, and there's still a little bit of light sky. So I'm going to take a look. You can see it now, it does look pretty awesome. Let's take a few snaps. Wish I would have brought my camera because it is absolutely stunning. Might be too dark to be fair, but it is incredible with the clouds and a bit of orange, tiny bit of orange, I'll show you. The other thing about this spot as well, there's no midges here. I know it's September, which is why I've come in September, because there's going to be no midges. It is raining a bit more, obviously, because it's later on in the year towards winter, but the fact that there's no midges here, I'm sure in the summer there would be loads of midges here. I spent the day chilling out in Torridon and doing some much needed laundry before heading to my spot for the evening. This is where I stayed last night. It's really cold now. But yeah, absolutely stunning. Just up the road from Torridon. Incredible, I'm pretty sure that's Loch Torridon. Yeah, a wild nice place. I'm gonna just crack on with the route today really. Maybe do Applecross, but we'll see. So I'm about to start the Applecross Peninsula bit, which has got called the Bealach, I think it's called. I'll show you where on the map. So I've just been through a little village called Thurnaig, and that's kind of the start of this Applecross bit. The winding roads and beautiful coastal scenery made for a great drive along the Applecross Peninsula. I stopped frequently on this leg of the trip to appreciate the incredible landscape. So I think I'm about halfway now. I think I'm actually nearly in Applecross. Right, I finished some lunch, stopped about a mile up the road from Applecross. Further along, I'll show you whereabouts I am on the map. I think I'm getting closer to the really scenic windy bit now. The wet and windy conditions made these roads slightly more difficult, but with a break in the weather I tackled the infamous Bealach na Bar. It's windy. I've just done the Bealach na Bar, past a really windy one. It was pretty good to be fair. And now I'm just heading down to Locharron, which is like the next probably little town along. I found a spot for the evening just outside of Locharron and got some much needed rest before the final leg of my trip tomorrow. Right, so I just stopped off for a coffee at a little cafe called the Measach near Applecross, the little village is called. So I'm making decent progress towards Inverness now. I think I've decided what I'm going to do is just kind of complete the route, probably end up in Inverness tonight. I'm just visiting the Black Falls, the Black Waterfalls they're called. currently at Rogie Falls or Rogie Falls. It's raining. I haven't actually been to see them yet. I'm just in the car park, just having a bit of lunch. Spicy coconut and rice noodles. Yummy. Whoa. Jeez. Oh. Right, I'm in Inverness now. That's it. I've officially completed the NC500 route now. I'm actually at the leisure centre because I'm going to have a run and then go and pay for a shower at the leisure centre, because I did that at the start and it was alright. It was only £2.60. So yeah, I've done 713 miles since I left Inverness last Monday. So what's it taken me? 10 days, I think. My return to Inverness brings to an end what has been an epic trip. Thank you so much for watching this series. Please leave a like if you enjoyed the video and subscribe for more travel and adventure content. If you missed part 1 and 2, I'll leave a link to those in the description.